Hey there, coding enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Python, one of the most popular programming languages in 2025. So, buckle up and let's get started. Python, as many of you know, is a high-level interpreted programming language. It's known for its simplicity and readability, making it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is incredibly powerful and versatile, used in everything from web development to data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. In 2025, Python continues to dominate the programming landscape. Its popularity has soared thanks to its use in emerging fields like machine learning and data science. Python's extensive libraries, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, have made it the go-to language for these cutting-edge fields. But what makes Python truly stand out is its community. With millions of developers worldwide, Python's community is vibrant, supportive, and continually growing. This means more resources, more libraries, and more opportunities to learn and grow as a Python developer. So whether you're a seasoned developer looking to expand your skill set, or a newbie just starting your coding journey, Python is a fantastic choice. Its simplicity, power, and community make it a language that's not just relevant, but essential in 2025. That's it for today's overview of Python in 2025. If you're excited about diving into Python, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more coding insights. Remember, the future of coding is in your hands. So, keep coding, keep exploring, and keep innovating. That's for this video, and I will see you in the next one.